Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Today, we're diving into a top pick for women looking for the perfect balance of comfort, lift, and style. The Pushless Push-Up Thick Padded Plunge Underwire T-Shirt Lace Bra. If you wear a 42A, this could be the best women's bra for you. When it comes to choosing the right bra, it's all about finding the perfect combination of support, fit, and versatility. This bra delivers just that. It features a push-up design with thick padding and an underwire for that added lift, making it ideal for small to medium busts. The padding not only gives you a beautiful, enhanced shape but also feels incredibly soft and comfortable, making it perfect for all-day wear. One of the highlights of this bra is its plunge deep V design. This feature makes it perfect for low-cut tops and dresses, providing the ideal cleavage while maintaining a natural and flattering look. Whether you're wearing it under a t-shirt or a special outfit, it'll give you a smooth and seamless silhouette, boosting both your confidence and comfort. The bra also offers excellent lift and support thanks to its underwire and adjustable straps. The adjustable straps are a great addition because they let you customize the fit to suit your needs. Whether you wear the straps traditionally or crisscross them for a different look, you'll get the support you need without any discomfort. This makes the Pushless bra a versatile option for both everyday wear and special occasions. Made with 90% polyester and 10% spandex, it's both durable and flexible. The fabric provides a gentle stretch, allowing the bra to move with your body while still maintaining its shape. Plus, the lace detailing adds a touch of femininity without compromising on comfort. It's a stylish option that doesn't sacrifice practicality. This bra is available in a wide range of sizes, including 42A, so you can find the perfect fit for your body type. It comes in multiple colors, including nude, black, and red, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your wardrobe. The fact that it's machine washable means that it's easy to care for, and you don't have to worry about it losing its shape after a few washes. If you're someone who values comfort but doesn't want to miss out on style and support, the Pushless Push-Up Thick Padded Plunge Bra is a great option. It ticks all the boxes when it comes to providing lift, support, and a beautiful shape while remaining incredibly comfortable. Whether you're wearing it every day or saving it for a special outfit, this bra is a solid choice for women seeking the perfect combination of functionality and elegance. So if you're in the market for a bra that offers it all, be sure to check out the Pushless Push-Up Thick Padded Plunge Underwire T-Shirt Lace Bra. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an honest review. See you in the next one.